Here's an example of a fix for the water intrusion into the frunk area. Just take a quick look here. So it's actually a lid off of a poly tote that's been cut down in the back here along the edge, so it can make a nice smooth seal along the back with tabs that then go into the screw area inside of the frunk. So here you can see inside where there's tabs that were left on place to just remove the screws and then screw back in this area with the tab in place with a small hole that's cut in the poly, which is easy to do since it's a very soft plastic. Around the top edge, it's just some regular adhesive rubber weather strip sealing material. The sides were added a little more bulk with silicone strips to try to increase the height of the elastic to cover the area where there's a bit of a gap where the side cover here is a little bit low. When it comes on down, you can see that it then seals quite nicely around the front and the sides. If we can take a look here, also pretty good. And when the hood comes down, it then keeps everything in place fairly well, keeping dirt and water out of the frunk for the most part. Okay, so there's a $5 quick fix for the frunk water intrusion problem.